So we back at another day, another good week. So today I'm gonna take y'all with me to work. But my only problem is, I don't know if I wanna take the 150 or the 125. I don't know which one I wanna take with me. I'm thinking about the 150 though, cause she a little clean. Y'all ain't get to see this one yet. Y'all ain't see this one yet. It's your first time ever saying this. So let me introduce y'all to my newest project, you know. I ain't even introduce y'all to her. I just had her sitting right here. I ain't even introduce y'all to her. But I bought this bike to flip and sell. So basically I bought it from the original owner. It had been sitting for a minute. Cleaned the carburetor, fixed the flats. She was cool. But I do have to go through it again because it take way too many kicks. And it just needed to tune up, to be honest. So yeah. Think about that though, and we gotta loosen this throttle up. Like, it's cool right now. So I know I can make it wet. I know I can. I know we can make her water. So I'm thinking about taking the 150, to be honest. But, excuse me too. But yeah, today I'm gonna take y'all with me to work though. Y'all know I work for the Dirtbike program, B360, Baltimore. So I think I'm gonna just take y'all with me this week. So this week we is gonna start on that other 152 because I'm tired of seeing it just sit in a million pieces. So we are gonna work on that too. But right now, we're ready to go pull the 150 out and go load it up in a hoop dog. So I'll meet y'all in hoop dog. It's the next day and I'm at work. Ready to get started. So I don't know how I'm ready to do this because I don't know how I feel. I don't know how some kids will feel about being recorded. So like, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but we're going to do it. Got my helmet, got my uniform on. So pick back up with y'all. Get right. So I wasn't going to record right now, but the cameraman decided to bully me.
We had to bully him into getting the content, you know what I'm saying? He gonna vlog the day, show y'all what we doing.
He bullied me into recording. I'm working.
It's not an option. It's not an option.
I'm working. How am I putting kids in their chest protect?
Bro,
You's a full-grown man. I don't.
Hey, yo, he is a man. I'm trying to tell him.
Full-grown.
All you gotta do is prop the camera up and then go back to work. That's all you gotta do.
Y'all already have 79. When you show me where the water at, I want some too. Come on, let's go find the water. What it comes. So I'm gonna drive with with one hand. Gotta teach the kids how to change flats. How to change the rum. Alright. Oh, it's not rum. Go ahead. I got you.
These back wheels, it got a sprocket and a rotor. The rotor always go on the brake side. The sprocket always go on the side where the chain is.
I don't like changing flats in these already. I already got hold of the wheel.
I cannot tell y'all why it's so hard to change this tire on here, but I'm done. He's still bullying me to record. He want me to record with one hand, change the tire with the other. It's good. And my man Tone, getting his wheel on.
He was not paying attention the whole time. Oh shit, man.
Junior instructors.
That's why.
I know. Some of them definitely paid attention though.
It's not just look over. It's recording upside
Yeah, like make sure you test it out, make sure the design is right, make sure the fabric is good. Right, exactly. Give it a good try before you throw it out to the public.
So look. Wait, open.
I got it, bro.
Come on, we all got to work together. Hurry up, open it. Whoever wins, get a prize. So my
We doing good.
Done.
We done, basically.
You done? It's in there. It's in there. You done?
Oh, yeah. No, we done. No, we not. No, it's not. It's loose. We're not. We don't have to do that.
Hold on. Let me see. Let me check it out for y'all.
That is loose.
So y'all, all y'all gotta do is screw it in a little more.
No, that's because of the spring. Look.
Let me see. Let me check it out. I'm trying to look at it. The spring in there.
You sure?
I'm sure.
So what we gotta do now? We gotta screw it in all the way.
It ain't screwed in all the way. Look. See right here? I gotta like adjust it and then screw it like that. You see how the hole is?
Yeah. But we cheating because we gotta do it.
I'm not doing nothing though. I'm watching. It's all on camera.
But you was helping us. Oh yeah.
I can help you. I can't touch it.
It's screwed in.
Let him screw it in. Let him screw it in. Let him cook.
It's good. Let him cook.
Come on, let's go check on the other group. You see, we got a whole bike.
Don't say that, baby. We done. Oh yeah. Y'all done? No, look.
Oh yeah, they ain't got no wheels. We alright. We gonna run over here. Oh yeah, let me see.
Even if you want to put a tire.
Let them cook.
Yes, bro. Let him cook.
Wait, smack it up. Yeah.
Let me see.
Just getting in.
I gotta squeeze it in.
Yeah. Look how you get over here.
Let me see. I gotta squeeze it in.
Squeeze it. In time, it's on there. What are you doing?
It's on there.
Yeah. It's on there.
We done.
Make sure it works.
Ready.
Man.
It
worked perfectly That was mean, Tristan. That was mean.
Alright, let me sit. Alright, see. Yeah. Alright.
Everything is everything. Dough cheese.
It was a little tight. It's okay.
It's on there. You just gotta break the burns in, babe.
Alright. Guys, I think we have a winner.
Clap it up, man.
Thank you to the plug. The plug, man.
No, he wasn't. Yo, see the man right here. You know what I'm saying? He cheated a little bit. We ain't gonna listen. We ain't gonna call it. Man, I didn't cheat. They told me I couldn't touch it, so I assessed at the team. You heard me?
You ain't cheat. You was just something.
Man, we got him.
He did not. Let me see. He did not cheat. We did this all by ourselves. He was watching us.
Right. Oh yeah, man.
You ain't cheat.
That was the classroom punt. Come on, we're gonna go over and see what's up with the riding punt. So that was the classroom punt. We're gonna go over and see what's up with the riding punt. See what they doing on the riding field. So this is the riding portion. Everybody having fun, having a good time, riding kids learning. Yeah. End of the day. Got my little man on the 150. Only 7 years old. It's gonna be a problem. Just wait on him. Time to drain the gas out of the button cord and put it in the hoop, dog.
You gotta say it right, baby.
Gotta say it right, baby.
You gotta do it right, baby. When
You gonna do it,
right,
you gotta do it right,
baby.
I'm
You
sorry,
can't have
baby.
stuff, you gotta hold stuff, baby.
Okay. I'm sorry, baby. Gotta drain the gas. Swap will put it in hoop, dog.
Yeah.
Hoop, dog. Wow. All right, baby.
Say something wrong with it.
They gonna say something wrong with us. Chill, baby.
Chill.
So I'm off work and now it's back to work for myself. So we gotta go find out what's wrong with this YZ. Yeah, I'm gonna call y'all once I pick it up. So I wanna say that it's like just stuck wide open. So when I take the carburetor off and stuff, find out exactly what's wrong with it. Got back right and took it apart, and I just want to say I've never in my life seen this, like, ever. So I'm ready to take it off, but I'm pretty sure y'all can see it. But I'm gonna take it off and then show y'all what it look like. Here we go. Here's the problem with why his throttle stuck wide open. This is what it's supposed to look like versus that. So yeah. So I gotta get this cleaned back up, clean this up, clean that up, and well, I clean this, and then clean the carburetor back up, clean this little plastic back up, and then put it back together, and then see how she run. Done. Use that fender carburetor. This carburetor need help, but like good as it's gonna get right now until he order a rebuild kit. See why I was right behind now. So I'm ready to call him, tell me to come pick his bike up. I'll pick back up.
I'll wipe the camera off. We back to you. So start the bike up again. You got me over.
I ain't starting my bike.
Bro, you got me over it. Long live Hood. Make sure we get that in there. But I'm over here trying to be Dr. Fix. He's like, all right, yeah, the spring's loose on here, yeah. How did I overlook? Hold on, let me get it in here.
That's y'all phone ass WhatsApp mechanic.
Yeah, not us. Hit me out. One screw.
We got one screw in there?
No, that's one missing, and then the other one missing. Bro, first off, bro, the only thing you got holding this bitch together is a swing arm, bro. That's the only thing holding your engine on. And you be out.
So you don't need to do no more willy practice.
Hey, you can willy, man. Don't let me talk you to scare you. You been willying this motherfucker as is.
Since you had the bitch in like
You been willying it like that. Don't let me talk you and scare you into nothing. But why you telling me you need your bike washed? My man's need me more. He need engine screw. If I had some, I would give them to you.
I got screw. I got bolt kits.
Damn, the bolt kit don't come with no damn engine screws. That's something you gotta order them. Bolt kit comes with these. These little ones. Stuff like that. Not that.
End of this video, so y'all can see I'm hot and sweaty.
But right now I'm ready to take the X giveaway bike together so I can get it going. Hopefully in the next video y'all get to see what it turned out like. Y'all see she was very rough. But I got a sale for it now since y'all get to see y'all hopefully if y'all get there. We'll pick back up with y'all next week.